So my wife was driving the Jetta the other day. She heard something coming from the back of the car. It was a little womp, 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 womp. So she decided to get out, look around the car, saw that the tire was going low, and just kept driving all the way home. I mean, why not? I mean, if it's already flat. So she gets home, she parks the car, doesn't tell me about it, totally forgets. Come home and the next day I wake up for work. It's like 5:30 and she's like, "Oh, my car was making a really weird noise. I think it's the tire." So I had the tire taken off. I got it to the tire machine, took the tire off, and once I took the tire off to put another tire on, I saw this. So as it sits right now, that is repairable, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to fix that Schmidt. So the first thing we're going to do on this is grind out any imperfections or anything that isn't smooth. Grind off this area, make it nice and flat. And I'm going to try something new. We're going to try aluma welding with this cold aluma weld solder. It's from Benzomatic. It's a brazing and welding rod. I've welded a few things before. It actually works really well. I don't know how it'll hold up on a rim, but I've seen a couple other YouTubers use it on some products. I think Project Farm did a really good video on different types of cold solder. Well, cold aluma weld, and he came up with a pretty good prognosis. If you haven't heard of Project Farm, check him out. He does a lot of content where he puts a bunch of products against each other, same types of products, and he does the best he can with trying to keep it legit, as far as temperatures and products and the things that he's trying to do. So I'm going to try to clean this up, grind it out a little bit, grind out this little bit of the weld inside there, or the crack, and then try to weld it up, kind of V it out, give myself some room to put some product, and then I guess we'll just go from there. Let's see if we can dig this thing out a little bit. It goes down a little deeper than I originally thought. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it really opens it up a little bit. All right. Well, it's flat, minus the groove I just put in it. All right, let's see if we can put some heat on her. Weld her in. Well, let's see what we do here. She's pretty warm. And she's not sticking like you want her to. Nobody said she's gonna be pretty. Partially worked there. Well, let's see if we can get some more down in there. I wonder if there's a flux or something you could use with this. Let's see if this will work. Those ones stuck. Why won't those ones? That one's stuck. We might call this DUNN. I mean, there's only so much you can do. And I think I've hit the end. What are you doing? No bueno. I thought for sure that would have some potential, but she's not sticking. She does not like it, not one bit. All right, well, I mean, she's still got a groove in her. I don't know what to do. Let's, I mean, the solder, I do have a different type of solder I can try. Let's try that. What else we got to lose, right? All right, so here, I don't know where I got this online. I don't remember. I got it from somewhere, obviously, but I don't remember where I got it from, but let's see if there's a different application or if it sticks a little better. Put these other ones in here. This rod here is more round than the other one. The other one was kind of like an oval. All right. Let's try this again. As if that was going to just work. Looked promising for a second. Yeah, we might have to clean it all back off. See if I can get a wire brush in there. dirty wire brush works. Thought it might have been hotter than it was. It's getting close. I mean, what have I got to lose? If it doesn't work, I throw the rim away, right? Buy another one. If we can learn something in the process, why the hell not? Ooh. All right. The rod. The heat. I wonder if I heated it from the back. It started to remelt the solder that was on there. Well, I think the key to it is definitely the heat. Once you got the heat down inside there, it looked like it was able to flow through, and it actually pulled itself into the weld. It didn't pull itself all the way through. Let me see how hard that is to come off now. Oh, she's stuck. Stuck on you. Oh, she in there. Oh, we're almost out of gas. That map gas don't last very long. All right, looks like it's one and done. That's not gonna fill it all the way. So it looks like when you're filling it, you gotta fill it all the way to the top if you can. So maybe cutting the groove isn't best case scenario. Ooh, that's kind of warm. What to do now? Well, that doesn't give me a lot of hope that this is going to stick real well. That didn't work at all. It's just not adhering. I wonder if the temperature just isn't hot enough and I'm melting the rod, not getting it hot enough for it to stick to the wheel. Let's try that. Trial and error. I don't think the butane has enough heat, and I'm almost out of map. If that sticks, we're in business. Come on, stick! Please? All right, let's give her a grind. Let's, I really want this to work. It just doesn't look like it's got the good adhesion. I don't know. We'll see what happens in a minute. It's gonna fly right off. All right, that's it. And there you have it. Sometimes you just don't go. That was stupid. Sometimes you're just not good enough. And I don't know what to tell you. I've never welded aluminum like this before. Very seldom. I've only done really small brazing aspects. So, and that was, I would say 50-50. But it started to turn out really well. It had good promise in the beginning, but it's still got a little bit of a dip. And I don't know if that's going to hold air, so. This probably isn't going to make it to a video because it didn't really do anything, so. All right, and that's a wrap. Because if you cross-thread them, you cross-thread them good. Hubs on, tires on. We're gonna drop her down, take her for a ride. Yo!